Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about my experience with shooting expired film, specifically the Fujicolor Industrial 100. Just to let you guys know, I'm not an expert on this, just sharing my experience. So I've seen many film photographers on YouTube talk about shooting expired film, different stocks, and many of the results for the most part has been great, as if they were fresh film stocks. So it got me curious to try some expired film to see the results firsthand. So I did some digging on the internet, mostly on Reddit. I believe I was originally looking for expired Fuji Superior something, but I discovered Fujicolor Industrial 100. I like what I saw from the sample images, and I decided to see where I could buy them from. And I saw some on Etsy, and Etsy has been my new go-to spot for expired film. So I don't know too much about this film stock, but I posted it on Reddit, and one of the users said, "I believe this film is referred to in English as Fuji Industrial. I assume it is or was used for all manner of photographic record keeping by large organizations. Basically any use for photography other than portraiture, tourism, and art. I imagine it was used to photograph documents, crimes, scenes, car crashes, mugshots, employee IDs, factory equipment, construction site, production samples, etc." I thought that was interesting, so it got me curious how they were going to turn out. After months being in the fridge, I decided to bring them out to my trip to Half Moon, New York to visit my friend for a 4th of July weekend. We visited Lake George, we went to a winery in Germantown that was owned by these two brothers. And I have to say, I was completely surprised about how the photos came out. I shot these on extra priority mode on my Canon EF. I heard rule of thumb for shooting expired film was to shoot one stop of light per 10 years, but clearly I didn't do that, and the photos came out more than great. I love the colors, and it definitely suited for this type of environment. I have another roll of this film in the stash in the fridge. I might use it for a trip to visit another friend, but until then, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.